What is up, everyone? Welcome back to more Let's Play Donkey Kong Country Returns. In last episode, I introduced to you my new Let's Play. In this episode, we're just gonna continue. I don't know how much time I have, but let's give it a shot. Hammer that down. Why? Because we feel like it. Bash that to the ground. We are just doing so well this time around, guys. I'm glad you could be here in this time. My one loyal fan. And only fan. I was just kidding. I just have to be patient for my fan base to go up. Because I'm just basically a regular Let's Player on here with crappy video quality. And it sucks, I know. You're just gonna have to deal with it with me. Just gonna go roll with the punches. Hey, those guys respawn. That's not cool, man. Why would you do that? That's not cool. And don't rush it now. Gonna want to enjoy it while it lasts. This game don't last forever. Like that bird. That bird didn't last forever. Because we killed it. Oh, but now that frog's gonna kill me. Just kidding. Oh, that bird killed my son. That's good. I'm glad that happened. I'm glad birds are child killers. I guess I don't want one anymore. That sucks. Just kidding. Birds are amazing. I want a bird. I want birds. Not for the reason. Not for the reason that we just got done talking about, but for different reasons. Hey look, it's the Dork Pig. It's the little Dork Pig. And we got Rhino. We got Major Rhino all up in her. So, in Donkey Kong Country 1, and 2, and 3, I think. I know that they're specifically in Donkey Kong Country 1, but before this game, there were two others who were named... No, there was On Guard, and then there was a frog guy. Then there was Squawks, who is now used for different reasons. And then there's, no, Rhino Man! Okay. And then there was another guy who was like a flamingo. I don't know, but they aren't in this game anymore. I don't know why. Well, they aren't in this game at all. They weren't at any time in the past. Okay. I always forget to grab this, so I'm just gonna do that. And then I'm gonna go down here and grab the secret area in the game. Well, not in the whole game, just one out of many. Oh, good. I thought I was royally ifed in the beat. Just gotta be a little patient, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I'm able to actually just like go one, and then puzzle piece, but that's only if I'm feeling ballsy enough. This time around, I'm not feeling too ballsy. Yeah! We did it! Oh no, we're missing a lot of puzzle pieces. 'Tis not good at all, I don't think. Where are we missing some? Where are we missing? Oh god! I don't want to be missing any. Oh! I think I forgot to backtrack. It's okay, guys. We's all gonna be good. Spank. Yeah. Okay. That still leaves one other, and I don't know where that's gonna be. This is gonna suck without Diddy. Get the bananas. I can't believe it only takes an HD TV to make me realize how crappy these bananas look. They actually make me feel like I'm playing the 3DS version of this game. Come on, we gotta move, we gotta go fast. We're gonna go fast like Sonic, but that's Sega and this is Nintendo. So, we gotta get that out of here. Okay, so that's 4 out of 5. And I know I'm missing one. Aw, you don't have time to rest, you silly rhino man. Oh no, we're missing one. This ain't good. This ain't good. What are we gonna do? Okay, no, I actually know what I'm gonna do. Actually, if I miss some puzzle pieces along the way, then I'll just go back and try and grab them. Really, it's that one that I forgot. I also forgot another one, but that's fine. No. Oh, thank you. How did I grab that? I don't know. Let's just make it to the end before I regret anything else. Oh, G. I almost forgot G again. That would have sucked. Yeah. Yeah, let's try and actually... Oh, well, we got Kong. And we got all 5 puzzle pieces. I'd say we have time for one more level. So that's... Okay, 1, 3, and 1, 4. I'm gonna go at this number-wise. So let's start up the secret level. And this is the level that we bought last episode. Sunset... Let's just call this the one level that has the best music in the entire game. Right her. This is gonna turn up a little bit. Do you love me now, YouTube? You're gonna in a little bit. You probably can't even hear it. I'm gonna stay for a little bit. Yeah. You like that smooth jazz, YouTube? I like that smooth jazz. Jazz. No! You killed my monkey son. Why would you do this? And I just got a heart too. No. No, that makes me sad. Okay, this when I first bought it, I used to think that you had to actually like wait for the frogs to jump in order to get up there. But no, all you had to do is just bash the ground. Give me my bananas and my banana coins, dog. Give me that. I want that. Give me that. I love music. I love music so much that it makes me happy. No. No. Bad. Uses bad. And then the music repeats. What's up, Piggy? Still no name for you yet, but when the time comes, I will. Okay. Sunset. Get it? It's the sun's F you. I'm just kidding. Please don't click that unsubscribe button. Please don't. If anything, hit it as it's saying subscribe, not unsubscribe. Because that'll make me the most saddest man ever. No! You're gonna kill my monkey son again. I don't want that. I have a feeling I missed the puzzle piece, and I'm gonna be sad. I killed my monkey son. Oh, how tragic. I think you can actually see World 2 from here. That's cool. Oh no, no, you're gonna kill me. I don't like that. No, stop. Yes, puzzle piece. And now I know where the last one is too, so. Bada bing, bada boom, we won. Yay, heart. Oh, and there's G. Get G. Oh, I thought it was gonna be cool. That was gonna be cool, dog. Dog, much dog. Very, very cool. Much parkour. Give me that. I need that. What's you? What's you? Use nothing. Oh god. I'm gonna die. Okay. So that's supposed to look like a secret, so they make you go down into it, but actually it's not. So you gotta go up here and grab the puzzle piece because they don't. Look at its hair. I just noticed that grass looks like hair. You are clever, Nintendo. I am proud of you. I'm not gonna grab any of this. Why? I can't get DK. K-O-N-G Kong. Yeah, we got Kong. We got the Kongs, and we got 5 puzzle pieces. What time is it now? 11? Oh. Holes. Maybe if you're a baby. Hardcore this. Gonna go 3 levels in 1 episode, dog. That's what we's talking about. Now, the puzzle pieces in this game don't actually do anything. I forgot to mention that. All they do is just give you images of the game. When in Kong Letters, they're actually storyline good. Is good or something. In the first episode, I was like, bang, I'm super amazing at this game. Everybody loves me for it. And now I'm just like, why am I disappointing my peoples? I have a feeling I missed something. And usually that's not a good thing. If you miss something, if you feel like you missed something, that's not good. Give me a banana coin, because I obviously need a lot of those. Let's murder the bird. Come on. Oh, I hear the ding 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 of Diddy trying to do something in that barrel. I don't know what. Yeah, that barrel's nasty from the inside. You thought I committed suicide for a second, didn't you? Didn't you? But you would be wrong. Oh, now we got red birds? I'm so intimidated. Not. Yeah. Let me into your secrets. Oh, I love this one. I probably shouldn't have said that. Yay, did it. No, you get back here. No. There you go. I did it. It was all me. It was us, guys. You guys as viewers, we did it. You guys are the best fans of... You guys are the best viewers as a YouTuber could ever have. I love you, man. I love you all. Just kidding. Not really. Why am I talking still? Oh, I thought I missed that. Oh, that was close. Too close. Too clutch. Don't rush that now. We don't want to make any hasty decisions now. Yeah, we got G, dog. Oh god, no. Oh, you guys are old. Oh, that one's real old. We did it, guys. You, me, and we. So now we just gotta jump. Don't be hasty. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? No! Now I have to go back and... I'm mad. I am mad. I am done. I don't want to do this anymore. So the next episode we shall be taking on level 1-6 crazy cards. And I love this. I love this to death. So the next episode, get ready to watch me do this. See you guys in the next episode.